everyone. So, my name is Aniket D'Souza, and today this is a quick demo of the new plugin that I have created. It's a Chrome plugin, uh, and I've been trading VCP, and many of you have probably also been trading VCP. So, this particular plugin helps you get the RS level data that's required, which is available on Marketsmith, directly into your TradingView browser, TradingView dashboard, right? So the question is, how do we do this? How do I help you implement it? So the model that I've created is based on a Chrome plugin. What you do is you first need to open Marketsmith India and you need to be logged in. So if you see over here, I have logged into my Marketsmith account, right? And I am a paid user, right? So that is important. That step does not go off. You have to log in. And the second step is you basically go to you can open a TradingView TradingView chart, right? And the next thing what you can do is you need to look for the Chrome extension. So you head over to Chrome extensions, right? Go to the web store and over here search for Marketsmith India TradingView overlay. Okay. So the moment you open it, you will get something like this, right? And then click on it. And once you click on it, click on add to Chrome. Okay. It will ask you for adding the extension to Chrome. You click on add to Chrome, add extension. Once it sits on your add to extension, this is where it will be, right? After this, the journey is seamless. What you do is you come back to your TradingView account and you just refresh the page. So it will tell you to reload the page. You just reload the page, right? And you will start seeing on the right side, you will start seeing a floating widget, right, on your TradingView account. So you can simply keep it. It is starting to fetch the data directly from your Marketsmith account, and it will start pushing it over here. Once you have this data, you can just place it anywhere you want, right? And then you can shift to any account over here. So let's say I'm clicking on Misho right now, and it will automatically update the account, and it will show you for Misho what is the RS rating, what is the EPS rank, AND rating, whether what is the rating in AD rating, composite score, and what is the price. It gives you all of that information right here without you actually going to Marketsmith. If you like this particular Chrome plugin, please give it a thumbs up, give it a 5-star rating. And if you have any, feedback to me, please do share it. This is one of my first plugins that I've created, and I hope you like it.